Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Guiding Light Tarot Premium Color Edition. Ooh, look at the holo. Oh, I love that. Okay, so this is published by DaBrigh. It is one of their most recent releases and designed by Victoria Iva. The Guiding Light Tarot Prism Edition is a set of 78 cards that invites you to look deep into yourself, exploring your mind and soul. Inspired by the way light casts shadows on figures and objects and accented with color, these cards reveal the potent imagination of artist Victoria Iva. She has created an intense deck that interprets the themes of inner purity, emotional struggle, spiritual strength, and soulful growth through her otherworldly representation for each card. With this deck, you will be able to do powerful personal and professional readings. And thanks to the durability of the cardstock and very high quality print techniques, these cards will retain their vibrant appearance through many, many readings over years and years of use. So this retails for $49.95, and in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. Whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, let's open it up. It's got the magnetic little hinge there. Look at all that holo. Ooh, the back. Oh my gosh. Holo. I am in love. There is a gloss. Ah! Love those edges. Awesome. Okay, let's just take a peek real fast at the guidebook. Okay, gives you information on the cards. So spreads are 3-card spread. Oh, and then we have tips. And then it goes into the card interpretations. Oh, and it's color printed. Okay, cool. A big thank you to DaBrigh for sending this deck my way. I am excited. Very cool. There's the back, and let's check it out here. So we have the title and the number below. White borders. Interesting. If you hear rain and all of that, we're just experiencing a downpour here. So that is what the banging is. Okay. Please be careful when you are separating your cards when they have a foiled edge, as they do tend to stick together because of the way they're manufactured. And I would hate for you guys to have a rip in your card from pulling them apart too quick. That is really pretty. I love the otherworldly feel of this. Oh, that's a neat take. Ooh. Okay, I am excited. This is very intriguing. Oh. Love it. I like the detail on the tail there. I definitely do not think that this is a very, rainbows and butterflies deck. I feel like this is very good for very serious readings, very introspective readings. This deck doesn't mince words here. Ooh. The Swift Hand of Justice. I like it. Oh. Okay, hopefully this will pick up. Look at that. Like a cocoon. This deck really excites me. I am so intrigued right now. I love. Look at the ominous shadow. Very high gloss. Oh my gosh, yes. Ooh. I love. Oh, cool. It's like an X-ray. Oh, I dig it so much. And the last card of the majors here. Well done. What a different take. All right, I'm excited for the minors now. Let's go. Oh, did you see the little heart there? Oh, cute. Oh, interesting. Huh. Oh, I like the way that this pip minor is done. It's still doing a pretty good job of illustrating the energy of the cards without just being like a Marseille deck. Ooh. I love that. Little hoof. Oh my gosh. Okay, pentacles. Ooh, fun. I like that. Kind of see. There we go. There's the head. Cute. Swords. Oh. The regality of this is very cool. It's very stoic and powerful, and each court card feels very intense but purposeful. And we got wands. Oh, I like that. And the artist. That's cool. All right, let's see how it shuffles. I am impressed. Yeah, it shuffles just fine. Feels good, snaps back. Look at the hollow. Sorry, it's the little things that amuse me. All right, this one came out first, so we're gonna read it for the Tower. Okay, so here is a reminder. Okay, we've got the meaning. The Tower represents a sudden, unexpected change that takes something we have built over time and quickly forces us to start over or reset. The Tower as an archetype is the 16th encounter for the Fool, teaching the lesson that life is a construct that can be blown up at any time, forcing us to make unexpected adjustments. Artist's vision. Liberation from what is false through destruction. Collapse of conventions too long stagnant. Upright and reversed. Unexpected change, sudden catastrophe, and blowing things up. All right. We have the same thing going on for each of the minor cards as well, but not as in depth, but that's okay. You know what? I'm here for this deck. I was not expecting anything out of this. I wasn't sure what it was going to be like really inside the deck. I think the minor cards were done really well. It's definitely a deck that doesn't mess around. It is a deck that is very straightforward. It can be intimidating. It kind of pushes us to kind of get out of our comfort zone a little bit with what we think we know, especially when it comes to the major arcana. I think it's beautifully well done. The card quality is really nice. I love the hollow. I think that was just a wonderful touch. It doesn't feel out of place. It doesn't feel tacky. It feels very purposeful. The artwork is stunning. I don't know why I had an immediate reaction to it. I think I connected just very strongly, especially, oh my gosh, this devil card. This reminds me of the Chernobog from Fantasia. Here for it. So yeah, I feel like this is a very, it feels very intimate as well. I don't know. I just feel like it's very creative, well done. I'm here for it. I think this was done in such a well thought out way that it makes it unique, but not, you know, too outside the box, if that makes sense. Victoria Iva also did the artwork for the Black Tarot, which is also published by DaBrigh. So if the artwork seems similar, that is why. And I really love the Black Tarot. I think that was done really well as well. So thank you so much to DaBrigh for sending this deck my way and to be able to share it with you guys. Now I am dying to know what you think of this deck. Did you get the same reaction as I did? Is this something that you're excited about? Are you excited to add it to your collection, or is this too intense for you, or you just don't feel the imagery? Let me know all your thoughts down below in the comment section. I really enjoy reading them. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.